When you are in your own house,
wikuoya muzi kwako
you always tell the children,
asiana
I don't want noise
kumuzi ndienda kelele
because I want to sleep.
unaenda ndokoma
Even you tune down, you volume down the radio
na leti uithese kawasi
because you don't want noise,
nunu ndukwenda kelele ndokoma
so that you want to sleep.
nunu ndokoma
Now you come to church
indi yuoka kanisa
where the speakers are beating,
ene pola isi akwongela wase sito speaker sithinikiro
but you comfortably sleep.
indi uikoma nesa piota waine walala mbai.
Satan is a liar.
Satani ni
We
mukenge
need to denounce Satan.
twenda mulea Satani.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
We must sacrifice.
No tweyuma
I mean 2 hours.
mwana samwetu asa masaa oili
2 hours to come to church.
masaa oili
And you sleep to your best.
no ikoma inguli yake ngo
Some of the people sleep in the church until they are in the 7th heaven.
ando amemako makanisani mpaka kethia meituni ya muonza.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
One person slept in church
Mundu umwe akomie kanisani
and
na
the pastor
pastor
talked about people who go to hell.
ambia kunena
He
yolo
said,
andala makadhi
people of that type,
hebinda
people of that type are the ones who will go to hell.
anu